Welcome to my YouTube channel. Why should you subscribe?
Well, I'm Ken. I am a man who is passionate about my craft. I am a man who is excited about learning and growing and sharing my knowledge. I am a photographer. I am a photo restoration specialist. And a graphic designer. I am a man who has autism and dyslexia. I create educational videos about photography, and the history of photography. I review vintage lenses. I will discuss any gear or software related to photography, graphic design, or photo restoration. In the vintage lenses and everything in between, that's why you should subscribe and become a part of this community.